Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Learn to Earn. Today we will learn how to import video in Filmora. So there are different options. The first one, which is just in front of me, is there's option of import. When you click this button, the window will open. My footage are in learning, video editing data and stock videos, and I will choose these top 10 videos. I will click import. All the videos will appear in my media window. You can see over here. Similarly, when you want to import music, you can see this button in the middle with the plus sign. When I click on this one, I will go back. I'll go to music and I will just select all these music files and click open. When I click this option and when I will choose audio, all the audio will be visible over here. When I choose video, all the videos which I just imported will be over here. When I choose all, videos and audios will be shown in the media tab. After that, I'll click in import images. I'll click on this media button, import button. I'll go back and I'll go to images and I'll choose all these images and click open. I have now all the images. I can filter from this button and I click image. So only image will be shown. You can see these are images, but I will select all. After that, sometimes for video editing we also need effects. I mean sound effects. I'll click on this import media. I'll not choose this option. I will go for another one. File, import media files. This is also another option. I will go to sound effects and I will select just top 6 and I click open. This way you can import sound effects, images. There is also a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+I. When I press Ctrl+I, this window appeared. I'll choose any of the sound effects. I will choose this whoosh and I'll click open. Now I have videos, audios, images, and I have sound effects too. I can show you. I'll go to sounds and I'll go for this one. You heard that. The next step is how to import these footage to my timeline. First of all, I will go to, I'll filter out, I'll choose only videos. Then I will drag this beautiful video. I'll keep project setting. I'll choose this option. And next I will choose any audio. Let me check this one. Yeah, it's cool, wonderful. Let me drag and drop it below the video, and because you can see audio is very lengthy and the video is very short, let me delete this extra music. Let me click on this, let me cut and let me delete this one, and let me zoom out and let me check. That's wonderful. And I want to add a piece of text. Let me go to titles. Let me choose this one, the first one. Let me drag and drop above my video. Let me add something like nature, N-A-T-U-R-E. Nature is beautiful. And let me check. Because the text size is very large, let me make it 90. I want to make it even bit more smaller. Let me make it 44. And let me delete this extra line. Let me stop and let me play. That's great. At last, what I can do, I want to make this video short, so I will just export it. Let me click export and I will name it like first project, and I want its quality to be higher, and frame rate I want to make it 30, and let me export. We have to wait. The export is complete. Let me click on open folder and let me play this video. Thank you. In this video we learned how to import video, audio, and how to export video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.